How to recover deleted Snapchat memories, messages, stories, and picture. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can recover your deleted Snapchat memories. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that the application is completely updated. If not, head over to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Snapchat. And that's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to see open or update. If you see update, press on it and wait for the application to be updated. After the application is completely updated, click the open button and then log in into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your Snapchat account, click on the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner. That's going to take you to this field where you have to go ahead and tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. And while you're on the settings page, scroll down right to the bottom. And in the second last option, you can see there's this interface as my data. Go ahead and tap on it. As you do that, it's going to take you to the my data field where you'll be provided with a lot of article information and all that. So over here you see this is the data available for download, and accordingly you can just mark on it and then click the next button in order to proceed on to the next step. Now you'll be able to see this sort of confirmation. So you have to submit a request, so click on the submit button and it's gonna create a copy of your file. So this process can take a long time. You have to wait until you get further notified. So that's how you can recover your deleted Snapchat memories, messages, stories, and pictures. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.